Something I've noticed recently is that when working with new clients, specifically new business owners, they ask a lot of questions about what the project process looks like. So this video is simple. I'm going to walk you through what the project process looks like working with me at Aria Web Creative Agency. My process is tried, tested and effective, consisting of 5 stages. 1. Initial brief. 2. Design. 3. Site development. 4. Launch. And 5. Support and maintenance. So let's talk about the initial brief. This is our first meeting, online or in person, where we will discuss in depth your business and your goals. We'll talk about what you want out of the site and how you want your customers to feel. In this conversation, I let you talk about your business and your goals and ask specific questions really to find your why. And this is what we build your website around. I then build your custom web project package and send a detailed quote straight to your inbox for review and to agree upon. We also discuss the content of your site and put in place a timescale for it to be produced and delivered. This includes images, copy, videos, graphics, anything else you may need. So, next stage, design. After a meeting, the design stage begins after listening to you and your needs. I create a beautiful, effective website design that I guarantee you will be happy with. We go back and forward on the design until you're completely satisfied with the results. This part of the process, however, can be the most time consuming as it's very collaborative, but it's to ensure quality brand reflection. I offer 2 versions of this stage, variable and strict. Variable being we go back and forth on the design as many times as it takes to get it right, within reason. Strict being one set of changes then straight to development. This is more suited to an urgent project. Once the initial build of your site is complete, you will receive a link to the development site to provide feedback. I will then make any last minute changes that you request before moving on to the next stage of the process. So the next stage of the process is site development. I use effective, reliable software that ensures the longevity of your site and it looks great across all devices, anywhere from mobile straight to large desktops. Now for the exciting stage, your site launch. Once both you and I are happy with the build, we get your site online. I handle every step of the process to ensure everything goes smoothly as possible and you can start connecting with your customers. And finally, the last stage of the process, support and maintenance. Once you're live and your brand is connecting with customers, I will be here to maintain your site, make sure it's online, and help with any support that you may need. You have a product or a service that you're proud of and you want to share it with the world. I understand the web so that you don't have to. I'm here to help you with an effective, proven, collaborative process that can assist in getting your customers to your business and take care of everything from the very start of the project. I'm here for my clients, so you're there for yours. Cheers.